Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing MCQs based on DU LLM paper. Okay, so these MCQs are based on DU LLM entrance paper. So MCQ number first, which of the following is sensitive personal information according to rule 3 of information technology, reasonable security practice and procedure and sensitive data rules 2011. So the options are like credit card details, medical records, mobile number, sexual orientation. So the right answer over here will be option second. First, second, and four are right. Okay. So credit card is also a sensitive data. Medical record is also a sensitive data. Sexual orientation is also a sensitive data, but not a mobile number. So mobile phone number is not a sensitive data as per the rule 3 of IT Act on sensitive data or information rules. Okay, so credit card details, medical record, even the sexual orientation, password, okay, passwords, biometrics, these all are the sensitive data. Okay, so the right answer is first, second, and four are right. MCQ number second, which of the following are the mechanism of pacific settlement of disputes under the UN Charter? So pacific settlement of dispute ka means peaceful settlement of disputes. So which are the methods? So inquiry, judicial settlement, arbitration, all of these. So the right answer over here will be all of these. So देखिए ये सारे जो methods है ना, these are pacific settlement of dispute via inquiry into the matter, judicial settlement, arbitration. Both the parties will appoint an arbitrator and he will decide it in a peaceful manner. Even it also includes negotiation. Okay, so all these things are included into this negotiation, mediation. All these things are included in mechanism of pacific settlement of dispute under the UN Charter. Okay. MCQ number third. Which of the following actions of host is not allowed under the Vienna कन्वेंशन ऑन डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशन? तो देखिए जो डिप्लोमेट्स के जो राइट्स होते हैं, इट इज वेरी मच बेस्ड ऑन दी दिस कॉन्वेंशन. ओके, वीना convention. So which of the following is allowed? Okay, so these are the options. So the right answer over here is option 1, that the host nation at any time for any reason can declare a particular member of diplomatic staff of the mission to be a person non grata. It means that the host nation can at any time can declare a particular member of the diplomatic staff as persona non grata, which means that the person is not welcome. Person is not welcome. Okay, so this is the right answer. So what it will do is this declaration will take away all the diplomatic immunity given to that person. Okay, now MCQ number 4. Which of the following are inventions not patentable under the Patent Act? Okay, so the right answer over here will be all of these. Why? Because invention related to atomic energy are not included to be as patentable. A method of agriculture or horticulture, that is not included in Patent Act. There is a different act for that. Topography of integrated circuit is not included. Okay, so the right answer over here will be all of these. So section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act, it elaborates on that what will not be included in patentable items. Okay, so that inventions that are frivolous and very small, they won't be included. Inventions which go against the public morality, that won't be included. Okay, or the inventions that are mere discovery of something that already exists in nature. So discovery is different from invention. Okay. Now the last MCQ, MCQ number 5th, which of the following is an example of obligatio era ohms of states under the international law? So the right answer over here will be option B, protection from slavery. So what this term means is that all these states are obligated not to do certain things, okay, not to do certain things as against the other state. Okay, it means that towards all or towards everyone. Okay, in international law, the concept or erga omnes obligation refers to specifically determined obligations that states have towards the international community. Okay, so certain things the all these states have towards each other. Okay, so protection from slavery is one such thing. Okay, so that is why it means obligatio erga omnes. Okay, so these were the 5 MCQs related to DULLM. In next video I will be bringing more MCQs. If you want to watch all other MCQs, you can watch it on the playlist of CLAT LLM and DULLM. Okay, so thank you all.